Hello everyone, this is my Chosun, and today in this video I really don't know what I'm gonna shoot, what I am going to film today, but I am not at my home today. I'm at my cousin's place because yesterday in the evening we came here because today my cousin was going back to Delhi, so we wanted to meet her. So that's why we came here yesterday. And today it's already Sunday and we are in Stoke, and as we all know that village, these days the village, they have lots of work, and my aunt is going to take us to the field in a while to do some field work. And before that I did my breakfast. As I've also washed my face, I'm just gonna apply my cream first. I'm just gonna moisturize my face with this ceramide rice moisturizer. So let's just do it. So yeah, coming to the village feels so great because it's so refreshing. You can see greeneries out here in summers, and because we live in city, you can't see any greeneries around, and that's why I feel so happy when I'm at village during weekends. So I'm done. And yes, usually when I'm at my cousin's place, I usually used to wake up at around 10 or even late than that. But because my uncle has already came here for some days, so I wake up a little bit earlier today just because I'm scared of him. And it's not even that early. I woke up at around like 9 or something, and they both went at around 5 to drop her to the airport. But once I'm done, we're just gonna show you around because you're gonna love it. You are going to love it. So by the way, I'm using this Oriflame BB cream, which also has a SPF of 35, but it is not a BA++. Anyway, this is gonna protect my skin a little from the sun damage. At this moment, I don't know what I'm just talking in the camera, but I'm just talking. I think I'm done, or am I not done? As you can see, the complexion difference between my fingers, my hand, and my face. The shades are like my eyes are just so weak, so I have to just so I really have to come very closer to the camera because I can't see myself. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of lipstick. I got something here. I never apply a full lipstick on my lips. I'm always used to doing a gradient lips because it suits me, I feel. So, and then I'm just gonna complete my look with my specs. And today she is going to make us do a lot of work in the sun. And thank God I have a cap with me. So I'm just gonna wear it the whole day. I'm just gonna tie my hair up right here. Which will give me a little pony. And you guys can see I have short hair. I'm just gonna clip it here, over here, one down here, another one here. There are 4 of those. I'll take you around. I'll show you the greeneries around. So before I go and help them, I really wanted to feed myself with something green from the greenhouse, and I found this, and my Emily plucked this for me, and I'm just gonna this turnip, and I'm just, by the way, I'm just sitting near this stream. As you can just hear this sound, I'm just gonna wash it properly. The turnip is so big. I don't know whether I can just... It's been so long that I haven't had a turnip like this, so I forgot how to just peel this off. My stomach is really not doing well today. So this is how you're gonna peel it. This is how you're going to peel this off. Basically, you really have to make a flower out of it. It's stuck in between my teeth. But teeth is not that strong. The sky is so clear, I feel like rain's supposed to be, but sadly, I don't have my cousins these days. One already left in the morning, and yeah. So this means this summer has no swimming. I know I'm having a so bad one. Never mind. That's how I am. So you can just have it like this. Just don't throw this off because this looks so beautiful, as you guys can see. It's looking like a sunflower, a white sunflower. And you just have to hold. So I finally peeled off the turnip, and I'm not gonna cut this off because this looks so beautiful. I'm just gonna hold the turnip like this and then just take a bite, a big one. But if I have to tell you the taste, it tastes, it's a mixture of like sweet and spicy, if that makes sense. But it is good. It's very healthy. Greenhouse is shubu tang worship bale. They shubu ngata greenhouse is shubu bo tang saria lita. Taste ne kitna lasa around garing is chaki tukle tene chapichip oil free chalak chigangin rapen. So I told her to make a paba. Tene usually ngata paba shmo jong pail. Mini paba chooses pinale. Taki ngata
在狼群本就是那宝宝什么，就那个造化了吗？从对张啥了挂呀嘞。
The shade. I'll show you.
Ja.
Tu sale partout rien de fait.
对，那听说就是对上群就是东西。
群就是吧，一定不能。